How to create WooCommerce product bundles. In this video, I'll show you how to create WooCommerce product bundles for free using the Easy Product Bundles plugin. Step 1. Installing Product Bundles plugin for WooCommerce. Navigate to the Plugins section and click the Add Plugin menu on your WordPress website. Search Asana Plugins or Product Bundle Builder for WooCommerce. Find the Product Bundle Builder for WooCommerce with these details. Install the plugin and activate it. Congratulations, now you installed the Product Bundle plugin for WooCommerce. Step 2. Create WooCommerce product bundles. Navigate to the Products section and click Add New Product to create a new product. Set a name for your product bundles. Click on Set Product Image from the right sidebar and select an image for your product bundles. Now go to the Product Data panel section and select Product Bundle as the product type from drop-down menu. After selecting Product Bundle as the product type, the Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Now go to the Product Bundles tab and click on the Add Item button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1, in the default product search box, select a product as the default product. In the Products field, search and select the products you want. With the Quantity field, you can set the default quantity for products. Check this field to allow the user to change the quantity of the product, and set the min and max quantity for the item. With the Discount field, you can set discount for the products. Now navigate to Display tab. Overwrite bundle item title from this field. Overwrite bundle item short description from this field. Change the title of the bundle empty item from this field. Change the product list product selection title from this field. Change the modal header title from this field. And set an image for the empty item from this field. Click on the Add Item button to add a new bundle item. In Item 2, search and select the products you want. Adjust these sections according to your needs. Click to add another bundle item. In Item 3, search and select the products you want. Adjust according to your needs. Click to add Item 4 to the bundle. In Item 4, check the Optional field to make this item optional for the customer. Check the selected field to make the optional item selected. And search and select the products you want. Now navigate to the top of the panel. By checking this field, you can set an individual theme for this bundle. Set title for the product bundle from this field. Set description for the product bundle from this field. At the end, publish the changes. Now open Permalink to see Product Bundles page at the front. In Product Bundles page you can see Product Bundle name, Product Bundle title, Product Bundle description and added 4 items. By click on each item you can see added product for that item, added products for item 1. Product images field. Product information field. In product information page you can see product name, product price and product description. Added products for item 2. Added products for item 3. Item 4 has been made optional for the user to choose. List of selected products. Calculated total price. Now we click on the Add to Cart button to see the product bundles in the cart. Product bundles will be shown in the cart like this.